Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Unbounce for high converting landing pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Unbounce website by typing the URL into your browser. On the home page, look for the Start for Free or Get Started button. Click on this button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security purposes. Once you've filled in your details, click on the Create Account button. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification link from Unbounce. Open the email and click the verification link. After verification, return to the Unbounce site to log in. Now, enter your email and password to access your account. Upon logging in, you will be guided through a brief setup process. Complete the setup by providing your business information. Select your preferred subscription plan based on your needs. Review the plan features and pricing thoroughly. Once you have chosen a plan, click on the Start My Free Trial or similar button. You will then be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card or PayPal details. Confirm your payment to finalize the subscription process. After payment, you will gain access to Unbounce platform. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. You can now start creating high-converting landing pages using the templates provided. Utilize the drag-and-drop builder to customize your landing pages. Integrate any necessary third-party tools or services as needed. Once satisfied with your design, preview the landing page. After reviewing, publish the landing page to make it live for visitors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.